Why is the sound insulation effect of insulating glass good? What is the better sound insulation effect of insulating glass than other glass? Hi, this is Hardcore Glass Knowledge Popularization Channel. Follow me, let you know different glass knowledge. Insulating glass is a window structure with a certain gap between two pieces of glass. This gap is often called the insulated layer and can be filled with air or other gases. The sound insulation effect of insulating glass mainly depends on the width of the insulated layer, the thickness of the glass, and the sealing performance between the glasses. The width of the insulated layer is one of the key factors affecting the sound insulation effect. Generally speaking, the wider the insulated layer, the better the sound insulation effect. This is because a wider insulated layer can provide more sound insulation material and reduce the path for sound waves to travel. Therefore, the width of the insulated layer is between 12-20 mm, which can achieve better sound insulation effect. In addition, the thickness of the glass will also have an impact on the sound insulation effect. Thicker glass can better block the transmission of sound waves, thereby improving sound insulation. Therefore, better sound insulation can be obtained by using thicker glass. What's more, the sealing performance of insulating glass also plays an important role in the sound insulation effect. Good sealing performance can effectively prevent the penetration of air and sound waves. If the sealing performance of the insulated layer is poor, it will cause airflow and sound wave propagation, thereby reducing the sound insulation effect. Therefore, when manufacturing and installing insulating glass, it is necessary to ensure that the sealing performance of the insulating layer is good. Generally speaking, insulating glass has better sound insulation effect by rationally selecting the width of the insulated layer, the thickness of the glass, and good sealing performance. The transmission of noise can be effectively reduced and a better sound insulation environment can be provided. This makes insulating glass widely used in buildings, especially in places where sound insulation is required, such as residences, offices, and hotels. Okay, the above is the entire content of this video. If you are interested in my video, I hope I can get your likes and subscriptions. Here is Shandong Yuhang insulating glass line. The next video will show you some other different types of glass.